Hey class, welcome to another tutorial on CS384. This time we will be seeing the named character classes in Python. Without much ado, let us directly jump into the example. So Python has provided us with the shorthand. For example, if you want to match numbers, so a typical way of giving the pattern is 0 to 9. If you want to match some characters, you have to say small a to z and capital A to z, right? So a shorthand is always provided in Python so that you can have more efficient and cleaner code. So in this case, let us see, we have a text. India won the World T20 World Cup in 2007 and Sachin has 100 centuries. So if you can see, I have three numbers here. T20 has a number 20, then 2007 and 100. If I want to extract all the digits out of this, so you can actually specify the raw pattern specified by /d plus. Now what does plus mean? So you have seen star means 0 to infinity, question mark means 0 or 1, plus means 1 or more, right? So it does not include 0, so 1 or more characters. So let us see what we are doing. We are having this pattern. So /d specifies a digit. So what I'm saying, this basically means that I will match 0 to 9. Plus means at least one digit should be there. At least one digit should be there and up to infinity, right? Any digits. Okay. So let us first see the output for this. This means one or more digit, and let us run the code. So you can see one or more digit, we have 20, that is comprising. Since I'm using the plus operator, again it's a greedy operator, so it goes on till it finds a non-number. So it found a space here, so it extracted 20. Then it searches for entire 2007, it found a dot here which is not a number, so extracted 2007, then 100 centuries, right? So this pattern 0 to 9, so again as I said, this is a greedy method. So for example, in this particular case, it will match all the numbers together. You can see all the numbers are matched. Interesting thing is you get a list, right? You can see the square brackets and then you can process on the list. So instead of this, you can actually provide a shorthand. Both the methods are correct actually. You can have a pattern like /d. D stands for digit and this is basically the same as 0 to 9, right? So in case both the outputs are same. Then we have a /w which stands for a word character. Okay, so let us copy the entire string here and then say instead of this we have these are these many words. So you can see here in the next case when I have /w, you can see /w basically includes all the characters along with numbers A to Z, capital A to Z, 0 to 9 and underscore. Right, so in this case you can see India won the T20 World Cup in 2007 because it has 0 to 7, 0 to 9 also. Fine. Make sure that the word does not include these characters actually /t, /n, etc., etc. Right. So you can see the full stop, the exclamation and all did not match. So these are known as named character classes and there are number of named character classes. And the good thing about them is, for example, /d represents a digit. So capital D actually represents a non-digit. Non-digit means, so for example, if you can see the first pattern is India won the T, right? The moment I come across a digit, it will break the string. Then we have World Cup N, right? It does not even match a space. World Cup N. Spaces is not, the space is included here, but the moment it come across a digit, it breaks. So small d is matching the digits from 0 to 9. Capital D means no digits, right? It's the inverted of this, like the complement. We have A and A bar, B, B bar, similar to like this. So a D bar is more like non-matched. Fine. So this is how the name classes can be defined, just showing the flexibility of regular expression.